So, Assalamualaikum guys, this is my first video and I'm going to show you my house. You see, this is my red gate and I am coming. Look, these are my parrots and I got to show you something else. This is my future rooster. It almost fell down with the camera. Oh, and I got to show you the lawn. Look, this is our lawn. Woo! And these are our plants. And this is our spiky one. And yeah, this is my sister's mango plant. And I don't know if you guys got to see it, but I want to show you something else. Look. Yeah, and this is my house. It's colored. Okay, look. What's this? What's this? What is this? And the blue one. You might be wondering, what was that? It is a bird nest house. Okay, and this is my future rooster's other kids, and this is my water bottle. This is my water bottle which I water my plants with, and this is my red gate, and from outside it is blue, and I have a cycle. I will show you it in my next vlog and I will post it tomorrow. Okay, so I'm sorry, there's just a new house getting built. There are man's talking, and I live in Pakistan. Yes, and bye guys.